Hi there, and welcome to this demo video on voice bookings. In this video we will show you a short demo of how voice bookings work from your customer's perspective.
You have reached 10 to 8 appointment scheduling software. We offer 5 services. Press 1 for enterprise demo. Press 2 for case study interview. Press 3 for sales call. Press 4 for NHS discovery call. Press 5 for upgrade request. Press 0 to hear the services again. You have selected sales call. There are appointments available on Friday the 25th of June. Press 1 to select Friday the 25th of June, or press 3 to look at the following week. There are appointments available on Monday the 28th of June. There are also appointments available later in the week. Press 1 to select Monday the 28th of June. Press 2 for days later that week, or press 3 to try a full week later. There are appointments available on Tuesday the 29th of June. There are also appointments available later in the week. Press 1 to select Tuesday the 29th of June. Press 2 for days later that week, or press 3 to try a full week later. You have selected Tuesday the 29th of June. There are 5 times available. Press 1 for 10 a.m. Press 2 for 11:30 a.m. Press 3 for 12:40 p.m. Press 4 for 2:40 p.m. Press 5 for 3:55 p.m. Press 6 for later in the week. Press 0 to hear the times again. You have selected 12:40. Now, please say your name.
Tim.
Thank you. Just to confirm, you want to book a 30 minutes sales call at online phone on Tuesday the 29th of June at 12:40 p.m. To confirm, press 1. Thank you. Your appointment is confirmed for Tuesday the 29th of June at 12:40 p.m. Goodbye.
We hope that you enjoyed this demo on how voice bookings work. If you are interested in this functionality, please do reach out to help@10day.com or get in touch with our sales team. Thank you.